guys.
Started like you knew.
Today, we are hunting every single monster. I think there's 12. I do not know. We gotta kill all of them. Oh, wait. So, do you want to first kill the ogre? Use one of those to kill the ogre.
I think my backpack is full. But it can't be. Oh. Wait. Okay.
Okay, everybody. First, we're gonna kill the ogre.
Or do you want to kill turkey first?
Kill. It did not work. Get another one.
Yes.
Get him.
Yes. Grenade. Perfect.
Okay. Okay.
Flash bomb.
Wait. Keep the flash bomb. We got that. We need that. Okay, everybody. Now we're gonna be hunting a turkey. Orc. No, I mean like. Okay, turkey. Turkey. Alright,
Nice.
easy. I might. Can I have that? Okay, never mind. You can have that.
Oh.
Actually, I'm gonna kill these turkeys too. We just need the loot, actually. I like my items. Okay.
Armstrong might be down.
No, chicken. Let's kill chicken.
Wait. No, Armstrong survived that.
Wait, okay, then let's kill him. No, let's just kill chicken. Let's go to chicken.
Okay. Oh! I almost fell in. Wait.
Get him.
Oh, I thought I walked.
Kill him. We got it. Good job.
8. Yes. Get out of my way. Okay,
Okay, everybody, next we're gonna kill Armstrong. So that's 3 monsters down.
And then next might be Mimic and Bomb, the Red Bomb, and then...
Ah! There we go. That hurt.
Shadow and...
Wait, do you have a
baseball
flashlight
bat.
or no?
No. Follow me, I know what the way is.
Okay. Oh crap. Okay, I'll follow you.
Here. Would it be like a better idea? Let's get like a thing where you can fly with.
For me?
Yeah, there's a grapple hook. Or do you want the hoverboard?
I'll take hoverboard. Let me put this in my backpack.
I'm also a little bit heavy because I have RPGs, keys from Haunted.
Wait, you go first.
Wait, we can just kill Mimic right here.
Wait for me.
Does it count if I kill Mimic?
Yeah, it counts. At least if I get a hit in, which I got a hit. Okay. Get that. Wait, can you get this?
Bomb.
Okay, that's I don't know how many monsters that is, but we can count. I will count later.
So we what's that?
I do not know.
That's banana. Oh, the mimic died from the landmine.
Wait, where are you?
Oh, got here. I think he died from the landmine.
Oh, crap. Chicken.
No.
What the?
Oh, wobble. Wait. Yes. Just go for it.
Kill it. No, ah. Thank you.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I do not know. Wait, we need Mr. Big Bomb. Holy crap. Where did it go?
Flash him.
Oh,
No.
that still counts.
gotta
That still
kill-
counts. No, it still counts. I got a few hits on him. It still counts. It still counts. Don't worry. Okay, wait. Come on. We're at the teleporter. Hey, I'm gonna teleport back.
Oh, it's back to the purple one. The OG.
Wait. Look. Wait. We don't need some of the things in my backpack. Okay, I do not need that. I need this impulse grenade. That.
You need revolver ammo?
No. Actually, sure. I'll put it in here anyways.
Okay. So do we need it? The flare on the crossbow?
Shoot it. Shoot the flare.
Oh.
We don't really need it. But, okay. Wait, we gotta go kill red light, green light.
Okay. Down into the abyss and... Okay, let's go kill it like green light.
No. Not down there. It's way easier if we kill all the things up here.
Let's go get Angler too.
Yeah.
So I know the best way to get her. Big flash eyes.
Good idea, bro.
Huh, does Ramlights count as a monster? Because it is kind of like a monster.
No, it does not count as a monster. It does not move. Be careful. Mr. Ogre might be back.
Huh, we gotta get the ghost head ready thing.
Oh crap. Nope. I cannot grab that. Oh crap.
Good thing you can't get down here. Okay.
We gotta get red light, green light.
Wait, let's get Angler. Yes.
There we go.
What's the blue crate?
There we go. That's a lot of monsters down. Wait, okay, now we gotta go to Haunted. We gotta go to Haunted. We've got... Oh crap. gotta. Okay, everybody.
Here.
Okay, wait. What side should we go on first? Get your flashlight out. We still need the flashlight. Hey, by the way, we need that flashlight out at all times.
We can. Ghost Lady will, because you know how bright it is? It will attract Ghost Lady. That's how bright it is.
Okay, fine. Let's use the keys. Use the keys.
Because at least it gets off for the light.
Okay, wait. Let's go this side. This side. This side. This side.
Okay.
You're going first, because you have the flashlight. Come on this way. Come on this way. There's no monsters that we
Okay.
need. Ow. I broke the door. Nope, nothing.
No, there might be a target in here. You never know. Targets. Ooh, that's landmine. And a crate. Restrict the crate. Oh!
Wait. Let me have the other hoverboard. Because I'm super heavy right now. I'm super heavy.
There.
Look at my
Oh, you
watch.
also got
I'm
a
red. I'm in the
tablet.
red zone. I'm in the red zone.
Oh! What's the key? Gotta put it. Go away.
What is that?
That's the ghost lady. Okay. Green doors. Where's the doors?
Over here. Over here, doors.
Which
Doors.
side?
This side.
Okay. I see. I see.
Wait. Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Let me get my bat. Because I have to deal some hits. I cannot fit anything else in my backpack. Blue bomb. Blue bomb. Hey, I killed blue bomb. Wait, let me kill this one. Let me kill this one because remember I have to get a hit in. I have to get some hits.
Oh. I didn't know. Okay. Yeah, I'm going with the crate. What's the... No.
Killed it.
Oh, I thought you got hit by the eye. Oh, be careful. Eye is regenerating.
Hey, wait. Get your flashlight out.
Go,
we
go,
have to
go,
hunt.
go.
Wait, don't go.
Oh, we forgot this part. Oh yeah. There's supposed to be like a target somewhere in here. Is there a target right here?
No, I see. It's a target right over there. Right over there.
Okay, I already got that one. And there's also a little front crate. You see, hoverboard is massive. Nice.
I don't really want the other hoverboard. Cause wait, get the actual flashlight out. Because we need it to hunt Ghost Lady.
Oh, what flashlight?
Isn't that rare?
Yes, it's really real.
Wait, can I have it?
Yeah. No, how about we use the red flashlight instead of like the big ones? Because you know how Ghost Lady can sometimes.
Come on. Wait, can Ghost Lady get some? Yes, we gotta get the head. We gotta get the head.
Blue ball.
Okay. We've already gotten blue bomb. Hey, wait. Hey, bro. We've already gotten blue bomb, by the way.
Don't go in there because that one is deadly. In the dark. You see?
Wait, we gotta get the head.
Where are you?
Hey, I'm over here. Where are you? Come on, we have to get the head lady.
That's
Come over here, watch this. Watch this. Look. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. Come on. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. We gotta
go. Hey, lady.
Oh my god.
Man.
We gotta stun her.
Okay.
Turn on the light. I can't see.
I did. It's this stupid ghost lady with flickering it. Keeps on moving up the light. Oh, we haven't been in this room. Man, don't go in there.
Why? Oh,
It's that zero
don't.
gravity room.
Yeah, zero gravity. Come on, bro. We gotta go.
That's just the same. We were just going through the same. Hey, lady. Hey. Oh.
She's gone now. Come on, we gotta go back. Try to get like a. Do you have any like a? Oh my god, I can't. I can't actually kill her.
Oh my god! My this will pick me up. I'm flying in the sky. Oh.
Pick up your stuff and get one of
Let's get the one with the loaded one.
No, I got a loaded one out. I got a flare. Flare.
Uh-oh.
Get the flare. Get the flare. No, that was my bat. Give me my bat. Give me the bat back. That was my bat. Hey, that was my bat. Can you give me my
It's
bat?
okay.
Is she even killable? How do we kill her?
I don't. Oh! No.
How do we kill her?
I was going to use the. Is she killable now?
I don't know. Everybody? So wait, let's go back to spawn. Come on.
Let's try the other side. We might get a little bit more luck.
No, we've already got every single thing except like Ghost Lady and the other person. Wait, do you have a photo? Do you have like cameras? I need a camera. Cameras are how you kill her. Cameras. You have to take photos.
Let's try to find a crate and Haunted because you know Haunted likes getting crates. And we never know, we might find her again. No crates.
Wait for me.
Eyeball monster again.
No crates. Come on. Crate. Let's go.
Okay. Oh,
Dang
cool
it.
backpack. And dynamite. That's good. You never know. We might get the kill her. Let's get this a little bit low. And flush a grenade. Oh, stop that. There. What should we use? Cluster grenade or dynamite?
Cluster grenade.
Okay. So that is blue bomb.
You've already killed Blue Bomb.
kill. Oh, I hear crate.
Where are you? Wait, okay, get the crate. Open the crate.
God. Oh!
That's good. Look, there's so many doors we have not checked out. Come over here. There might be a crate. Shine the light in there.
Oh. Yes, I killed her. I killed her.
You killed who? The head?
The ghost head.
You actually did?
Hold on, I thought you guys hit her for the couch.
Okay, wait. Get in. What did you hit her with?
The shotgun.
Do you have any more bullets in that? So I can shoot it?
I have one more.
Wait,
Oh my gosh, right?
wait, drop it. Drop the shotgun. I wanna use it.
Okay.
Where's she? Where's that stupid
Oh.
head lady? I'll shoot you with this shotgun, boy. Like, come on, I don't want to mess with those people. Those people are dangerous. Ooh, what's this? Oh, wait, actually, no, that's not the thing I should be touching.
Trash can. Yeah. Where's the auto target at?
I don't know. Yesterday, didn't we get all the targets in here?
Yeah, but there got to be one more.
Wait, shine a light. We gotta look in every room.
Oh. Ghost ready! Oh. You sure?
I killed her! Look! I killed her.
Oh, that was his head.
Shine a light. Wait, what are you doing? Come on, let's go. Wait, you left a
Yeah.
rocket launcher. No, that's not a rocket launcher. No, I'm joking. Come back here. We gotta go. We killed each monster. Well, at least I think. I don't
You
know.
can't kill that one monster.
Wait, the lady. Hey, wait, the lady. So wait, the head we actually killed. The head I killed. That counts as killing it. Okay. But ghost lady,
But
I don't think you can kill her. Not gonna lie.
we can't. Ain't good. We got
No, wait. Oh, I know what we haven't killed yet.
green light,
Yeah.
red light.
No, we already did kill green light, red light. We haven't
Oh.
killed the bombs that actually explode.
Hold on, wait. My sister's controlling my hands right now. Sorry, while I'm running through, I'm sorry. You're in the wall. You're in the wall. Not this way.
Follow me.
Oh.
Me.
Hold on, wait.
Angler
Okay, I'm
crap.
back to control. Oh my gosh, it's the red light, green light. Go, 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 go.
Where are you?
Alright, who's the monsters we haven't killed yet?
We have not killed like the bombs that explode.
And yeah.
Wait. Oh, crap. everybody?
Hey, you want your red flashlight back?
Yeah, I'll take it in a minute. I gotta empty some things.
Okay, we gotta see something. Yeah, we haven't completed it since 90. Talkers. Okay. Here, I take these.
Okay, wait, red flashlight. Yep. Okay, everybody, we actually did find a red flashlight today. We were not expecting that. Like, were you expecting that, to find that?
No. Hold on, we need to kill the red turkeys. The ones who have red eyes.
What, that has red eyes?
The red eyes of the turkeys, because the ones where we have the regular eyes, we killed those ones, but what about the red ones?
Red what?
The red
Mom?
turkey eyes.
Turkey eyes?
Yeah, like the red ones.
What do you mean the red eyes? There's no eyes.
The turkey eyes.
The turkey eyes?
I will show you when we go down here.
Wait, we've killed the red eye.
No, we killed the ones with the white ones.
Hey, where are you? Yeah.
Okay, here. These ones I'm talking about.
The chickens?
Yeah, do we count these ones?
No, those do not matter.
Because one time when I was messing with them, like playing around with them, sometimes they attack us. I'm not even lying. One time I was messing with one, they attacked me. Huh. For the crates, I want the crates.
We can move, it can't see us.
Yes!
Wait, we need a light. We can't see anything.
You have flashlight.
Ow. Wait, but I can't take it out right now. I can't see anything. We need that actually, like, explosive things.
Come on. We gotta hit to the portals. Here, you want both hover balls when we hit to the toll portal?
Yeah, wait. We need the actually exploding bomb. Where are you? Come over here.
Wait, exploding. Yes! She got. Yes, I killed her!
Okay, wait, we killed the actually, like, exploding bombs, right? We killed that exploding bomb.
I killed him.
It's fine, it's fine. Oh, wait, I found the exit, I found the exit.
Nice. Wait, that's easy. Okay,
wait, when we are doing the parkour, can I have both things?
Alright, I'm taking.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. Going out of this grapple hook. You got this grapple hook. We're going for that tunnel right there. That tunnel right there. That's the one where we gotta go to. Yeah, juice off. I think you can make it. This is the part where I get confused. You might need to have a red flashlight because I don't know what the
No, wait. Can you carry a red flashlight? I think it's like
Yeah.
right there? Yeah. Wait, don't go yet. I have to put this in my backpack. Okay, come on. Turn it. Okay.
Okay.
We got this.
that way.
It's this way. Be careful of mimics.
Wow. There's no mimics.
Oh.
Okay, red flashlight back.
Bye. I'll see you there. Okay, everybody, that is every single monster in the game. If we
No.
missed any, tell us.
We missed the red ball.
We missed the what?
The red one.
The red what? The red eyeballs that
Bomb.
you... The red bomb? No, we got him. I
Yeah.
got him. Remember, he exploded. Remember? We got him.
Oh.
We got him in there when do you know how all those people froze the mimics? He exploded.
No, like
After
the red one, not the gray ones.
No, wait, I mean like the exploding bombs. The exploding bombs. We got those.
Okay, we got. So I'm gonna.
If we
count all
missed
the
any,
monsters.
tell
So we
us.
got- So we
If
got
you guys
Highlight
actually
Greenlight, we got-
tell us if we actually missed any. If we actually missed any and I said we got it, that's my fault. I'm sorry about that. You guys just gotta tell us.
Now you wanna act like we are new to the game? Next video.
Wait, what?
You wanna act like we are new to the game next video?
I don't know. Tell us if we should, guys. Actually, wait, guys. One more
Or do
thing.
you want?
Everybody,
Or do you want to see us?
next video, I want to. Next video, I'm gonna try to server hop, and me and him are gonna collect as many chicken eggs as we can and fill the machine up with chicken eggs.
Oh, you seen that video of Toasties?
No, I have not actually. Is it good?
He actually did that idea too. Oh yeah, I know a small idea. I was like, does this work? If you turn off your internet, it actually works.
If you turn off your
And then we-
internet.
Yeah, and it respawns the egg.
Everybody, I am broke right now. I only have $489. I need to get some cash, so that's why I'm choosing that video as the next one.
Or do you want us watch us go to sewers and you go to haunted?
Yeah, like sewers gets you pretty good money. I would say haunted. I would like haunted better actually. But okay, I will see you guys next time actually. So bye, and
Like
wait,
and
one more thing.
subscribe too.
Yeah, like and subscribe. I'm sorry that I've not posted in a little bit. It's just like not many people have been online to help me with the videos. So yeah, bye guys. See you guys next time.